Hello everyone, welcome to class 3. Today we will be working with templates. First, navigate to the templates section. From there, select it, and you can choose any template of your choice to get started. Now we will change the background color. First, select the background, then go to the color panel. From here, you can choose any color you like. You can also change the color of these side design elements, but first increase their transparency or opacity as needed. After that, apply the color to achieve your desired look. Now we will change this yellow design. Right-click with your mouse, then go to Layers. At the bottom, click on Show Layers. From here, select your design element and then change its color as you like. In the same way, you can also change the font color. Simply choose any color you prefer. To change the font style, click on the text, go to the font option, and select any font of your choice. Now, we will change the image. First, go to the Elements section and search for Person. Then, navigate to the Photos tab, where you will find a variety of images to choose from. Another method is to go to the Upload section, upload your own image, and place it into your design.